welcome back, or welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Welcome to my food forest. Alright guys, today we're going to talk about fruit trees, and the reason why I'm talking about fruit trees is because I've noticing something. I'm not sure if you guys facing the same situation, but I'm noticing something with a lot of these fruit trees. Alright, let's dive into this video and let's really talk about fruit trees. And if you're having the same problem, please leave it in the comment section and let us talk about fruit trees. First, I'm going to talk about my apple trees then. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apple trees. Now, when I purchased these apple trees, I'm trying to figure something out here, guys. When I purchased these apple trees had flowers. They had flowers in them, so I say, you know what? All right, let me buy these apple trees because it's gonna be good for me, because now they're gonna be producing very soon, which this is one as well. But this, when it producing fruit. This one also last year, this one produced flowers. It even had on a fruit, right? This one again. So all these apple trees I'm talking about, when they purchased, they had on fruits, flowers. They had flowers. But now 3 years later, from that year that we see flowers when we purchase the tree and plant the tree, 3 years later, we still not getting no flowers. So the only time we get flowers was from that year when we purchased the tree. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. What is really going on? Now, we purchasing these fruit trees, and fruit trees ain't cheap. Some people sell fruit trees for pretty expensive. And what catch our eyes, why we want to buy fruit trees so expensive, is because we realize they reach to a place where they already start producing. So if they start producing, all we got to do maintain them, feed them nice. So now we have a fruit tree that we expect the following year gonna produce fruits for us. Now the following year come, and what we see? No fruits. No fruits, no flowers. All we see, it's growing. Same thing with this one. This one been doing this for years. Just growing every year and pushing leaf. No fruit. What is going on there, guys? The only purpose, the only reason why I buy these fruit trees so expensive is because they was producing flowers. So that catch my eyes. You see what I'm coming from, guys? It catch my eyes and it made me say, okay, instead of me gotta wait 3-4 years on a plant, let me just try and buy one that already producing. This is a fig tree. This fig tree, I used to have it up there, and the year that I purchased this fig tree, it produced that year. That was like 3, going for 4 years now. Now all it doing, it just producing leaf. Last year in the fall, it produced one fig tree. All they're doing is growing. So I don't know what is going on, guys. Please talk to me in the comment section. What is happening? Why these fruit trees is producing, and when you purchase them, then when you take them, transplant them, 3-4 years later, you still can't get no fruit from them. And I'm not gonna say every fruit tree is like that. Because this one is different. This one produced 2 last year. I planted this last year. It produced 1, but this year we see a lot more. So I'm not gonna say with this, I'm talking about the apple tree. The last time I talk about this, someone tell me in the comment section, oh, get the same variety and put it that they could pollinate each other. That's when that one did push out flowers. No flowers after that. This one I planted last year, it even had on a small apple. That one over there even had on a small apple. But guess what? This year, no apple, no flowers. I had pear tree, the same thing. I have a pear tree produced last year, and this year nothing, no flowers. So does it make sense we buying these trees for so expensive and still gotta wait 5 years after to actually get some fruit from them, maybe longer? Or should we take our own time and go from seed? Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comment section. This one is one that grows up wild, and I take it and I put it in this container. This is a peach tree. All right, so please let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. Does it make sense for us to buy these fruit trees so expensive? Because we see they produce flowers 1 year, the first year, and when we purchase them and we plant them, we cannot get no fruit from them 3-4 years later. Does it make sense? Please let me know in the comment section, guys. I appreciate this. I appreciate your guys' feedback. Or you having the same problem, or you having the same situation? Does it make sense for us to buy these fruit trees so expensive because we see they have on flowers, or we should buy a younger one for a cheaper price and take care of it ourselves? What do you think? Thank you all.